Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fahmy bin Jamadi, and I am from First Year Architect today, and I am from Aslan Studio. Okay guys, first thing first, I want to give a big thanks to my lecturer, especially Studio Master AR Fadli and Madam Liana, Madam Shahila, Madam Elina, and Madam Madihah. And I want also give a thanks to my friends, my fellow friends, Arslan Studio, because helping me and give some favor that I need. Thank you. During my first semester, which is my last semester, the first year student have a final project which is individual mobile studio. Okay, let me explain a bit about our studio pod. First, we must do the studio pod and fit only 1% only. Okay. Second, we must do in about 1.8 meter height, 2.1 meter length, and 1.5 meter wide. Okay. The third is we can do our studio pod using any material that suitable to our studio pod. Okay, this is my studio pod, and I want to explain about my studio pod. First, I want to explain about the issue. The first issue is students don't want any disturbance during their study, which means they need a privacy. Second, students want a space for multi-functional space for their study, which is they need a comfort. Third, students need space for their belongings, which is they need a safety. Okay. Then my key is A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Rabbana ma khalaqta hadza batila subhanaka faqina azabannar. The meaning is, our Lord, you have not created all of this without purpose. Glory to be with you. Protect us from punishment of the fire. For my concept, I choose metaphorical. Metaphorical is represent a person or an object, which is we take a characteristic from it, and for the simple meaning is symbolize. Okay, I get inspiration this concept from the architect Kasturi from Telecom Tower. This Telecom Tower is represent a bamboo shoot to represent Malaysia, because Malaysia is very popular about the bamboo shoot. Okay, for my ideation, I took the ideation from toys. Toys has a thick carapace shell, and they usually spend their day to searching food, which is they out from their shell, and they stay in their shell during night for safety. Okay, then I want to explain about the design process. This is my design process from the toy shell to become my studio pod. I'd like to show you my mock-up of this studio pod. Okay. This mock-up is I use the same material is craft pod. Okay. This mock-up I made 2 weeks before the submission date. Okay. This is my mock-up. Okay. Then I want to show you my studio pod. Okay, this is my studio pod. Studio pod is also I made from craft board, and if you can see the loopers, I made from the stick, the satay stick. Then for the interior part for the table, the drafting table, for the furniture, interior furniture. I use the foam board, the white foam board. Okay. Then for the material at the top of my studio board, as you can see, the glass. I make the glass from the perspex, the transparent perspex, and the louvers. I made the louvers by using the craft board. Okay. Okay, this is my studio board, and at the bottom of the studio board, I want to put the header width. Okay. Okay, for this project, I have drawn 9 drawing, which is isometry, 1 point perspective, floor plan, section XX, section YY, front elevation, rear elevation, right elevation, and the last one is left elevation. Okay. My studio board, as you can see, the isometric view, you can see my studio board have a geometrical shape, which is the triangle shape, the square shape, any geometrical shape. Then I use this geometrical shape because I don't want to copy one-to-one from the shell become my studio board. I derive from the shell become this geometrical shape become my studio board. Okay. As you can see, at the below of my studio board, I make a louvers to air ventilation because I want to the student in the studio board feel comfort and feel cool when they study in my studio board. Okay. Then for another air ventilation at the top of my studio board, I made another louvers to the air come in and the hot air to come out from my studio board to make my studio board become cool and comfort. Okay, then you can see the glass at my top of the studio board. I put the glass because I want to natural light from the outside to come into my studio board. So during the daylight, during the noon or on the morning, the student they need to open the light to study in the studio board. The student just use the natural light from the outside to lighting the studio board. That is my special office area. Okay, then you can see my studio board have the open part from the front for the window. Okay. For the window, I use open window because when on the lecture, the student can open the windows to see the lecture in front of the class. And when the student don't want to any privacy or don't want to any disturbance from the student, he can close the windows and get a privacy as long as he wants. Then for my studio board, I have two doors from the at the left and the right because at the right side the door is for the student come and out. And for the left door, I have created a little table, a create table for the student and the lecturer communicate during the create session. And I will explain a bit more about that. Okay, I think that's all from the outside about of my studio board. Which is I can explain the three part from the floor plan. Okay. My studio board is special because I have created the adjustable table, drafting table, because I want to the student get a perfect, comfortable during their drafting study. Then I have created the chair that very suitable for drafting table. Then I have one storage or one cabinet to the safety for the student belongings. They can the student can save their bags, their wallet in the cabinet. Then the part is I have created a create table on the left of the studio board. Okay, this create table have a foldable table, just a small in about 15 meter cm length and 14 meter cm wide. Okay, this create table is for student put the model, put the mock-up, put the sketch on the table for then he can communicate to the lecturer outside the studio part, and they can have a create session. So the student will have a comfortable place for create session. Okay. Behind the create table, I have made the secret cabinet, which is they can open for place their belongings and in that box. Then as you can see at the back of the studio board, I have read foldable beach bench. Beach bench is very low, and this bench I have created because I want students take a nap, rest if they tired and feel sleepy. Okay. To open this bench, we must move the chair, the drafting table, drafting chair side. Then we can open the bench, and the student can get the rest. And while the bench is open, the drafting table also must be full up because I make this studio board to make a big space for the student to take a rest. Okay. Then as you can see, from the bench is windows. Not the windows, but the shape is dark. Okay. I made that space is dark because when the student need a rest, they need a dark place, no light because the student student can get the enough rest and the perfect